Unlocking the power of Bitcoin with Ordinals. ORDI token. What is a Bitcoin ordinal? Introduction to Ordinals. Bitcoin's decentralized nature, immutability, and limited supply make it highly sought after. The Ordinals protocol, built on top of Bitcoin's blockchain, is a groundbreaking token that allows people who operate Bitcoin nodes to inscribe each sat with data, creating something called an ordinal token, or ORDI. Here are some key features of the Ordinals protocol. Inscribing data into Bitcoin's blockchain. It's exceeded 900 million in total market value. Live trading on multiple centralized exchanges, fully backed by Bitcoin, ensuring stability and security. In this article, we'll dive into the details of the Ordinals protocol and how it's transforming the world of Bitcoin. Inscribing data into Bitcoin's blockchain. Bitcoin's broken into 100 million units called Satoshis or sats, allowing for even small transactions to be conducted on the blockchain. The Ordinals protocol allows people who operate Bitcoin nodes to inscribe each sat with data such as timestamps, messages, and even small pieces of code. This creates a unique identifier for a wide range of assets, making it possible to represent virtually any asset on the Bitcoin blockchain. Ordinals are exceeding 900 million in total market value. Tokens built on the Ordinals protocol, such as the Ordinals token, have exceeded a total market value of 900 million. This significant traction in the crypto space shows the potential of the Ordinals protocol and the impact it can have on the wider blockchain ecosystem. Ordinals are live trading on multiple centralized exchanges. The Ordinals ORDI token is now live for trading on several centralized exchanges, offering users a secure and decentralized way to exchange value within the Bitcoin network. The ORDI token is fully backed by Bitcoin, meaning it's worth 1 Satoshi, ensuring stability and security while providing users with the benefits of a decentralized and secure token. Ordinals are transforming the landscape of blockchain technology. Overall, the Ordinals protocol and the tokens built on it represent a major step forward for Bitcoin and the wider blockchain ecosystem. With their potential for secure and transparent transactions, these tokens have the potential to transform the way users think about value, exchange, and asset ownership. As the crypto world continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how the Ordinals protocol and its tokens continue to shape the landscape of blockchain technology. And here are some AI generated links to sources, and I will leave the link to this article in the description.